Today's news headline is Abduction in Butidang Township. Rohingyas are suffering from insecurity in Arakan. Details of the news. The Arakan army is reported to have abducted 38 years old Rohingya school teacher Maung Thung from Ward number 5, Yahoo Titi quarter of Butidang Township on 24th April 2025. After the AA carried out a massive destruction in Butidang Township in mid-2024, many Rohingya families were displaced. However, the Yahoo Titi quarter remained relatively intact. As a result, some families including Maung Thung were able to continue living in harsh conditions. A close relative of Maung Thung said that Maung Thung was taken away by the members of the Arakan army that day without any apparent reason. He added that they lived a very ordinary life and endured a lot of hardship. There was no reason to suspect them of any wrongdoing. Maung Thung is a Burmese subject teacher and is the son of Ula Ong, who is a respected teacher in Butidang Township. Throughout his career, Maung Thung taught thousands of students from both the Rohingya and the Rakhine communities. He earned widespread fame and respect among the community for his dedication to education and peaceful coexistence. His father Ula Ong was also abducted by the Arakan army earlier, but he was later released. Meanwhile, the Arakan army is reported to have abducted 5 Rohingya civilians from 2 villages in Butidang Township that sparked a fresh panic among the already traumatized community. Local sources said that the 4 abductees were Muhammad Rashid, village chairman Ulalu, Said Alam and an unidentified person. They were abducted by the Arakan army from Alaishong village. The 5th person, Muhibullah, was arrested from a nearby village. The motive behind the abduction is still unclear, said the villagers. The families have not received any information about the whereabouts or condition of the victims. A Rohingya resident in a nearby village, Abdul Karim, said, "We live in a constant fear. Every day we hear about the arrest or abductions." Another resident, who asked not to be named for security reasons, expressed growing concern in the area. He added, "Our lives are becoming increasingly dangerous. We have no protection, no freedom of speech. Meanwhile, people are now disappearing without any reasons, which is very sad and alarming." Community members are urgently calling on international human rights organizations to intervene, demanding accountability, transparency, and protection for Rohingya civilians trapped in conflict zones. Humanitarian organizations have yet to issue any public statements about the latest kidnappings.